This is Mogadishu, the capital of Somalia. It is the only city in Somalia that has experienced hardships in life. Years later, just call it the city of Gazi. It was the time of constantly shootings and killings in all parts of the city. Its people did not stop their life to continue during the difficult times. The people of Mogadishu have shown resilience and patience. Since the collapse of Somalia's central government, Mogadishu has not had a peace and life for 10 consecutive years. The conflict was largely based on leadership and religious issues in Somalia. The first war broke out between factions led by warlords that most of whom are now died, but have left a negative mark on Somali's communities. Mogadishu was the first place to start the civil wars, destroyed the country, nomadic villages up to towns, and it has been going on for some time, sharpened and has been waging war for almost it took 10 years in almost all parts of the country. Al-Shabaab, an Islamist group party of Al-Qaeda in Somalia, been established and was took control of the entire country, with the exception of parts of the city Mogadishu. Then that time been announced the Gazi city. But a prolonged conflict has crippled the Somali people. The path to progress and life has slowed down, and a change has been made for transitional federal government that will have been extended the country by elections democratically. Sharif Sheikh Ahmed took over the leadership and was one of the leaders of the Islamic Quartet fighting group from southern and in central towns of Somalia. Mogadishu is back to life and the path to development. Now 10 years past the civil war, Mogadishu is safe. They have never discouraged about to repeal and restoring development back to the country. Now businesses, universities and schools are growing. Turkey is one of the countries that have supported Somalia and has so far maintained a good relationship with Somalia and its people. Mogadishu technology and internet has been benefited by small businesses, by innovative young people who have landed in the country, while the diaspora is creating companies and hotels and businesses unprecedented in the country. This is a new source. The people of Mogadishu are the who will never stop their development for sake of the conflicting policies that are vain sentence and for the top seat in the country. Support Mogadishu, build the Mogadishu and the becoming its investors. I, Abdulkadir Muhammad, the bodies of this informative article. Thank you for being a part of our viewers.